Okay, this is pre-cal topic 2.1. Okay, and I'll be taking the equation 4x minus 5y equals 20. This is a linear equation that is in standard form. Oh, sorry. It's a linear equation that's in general form. I'm going to change it into a standard form by solving for y. So, subtracting 4x from both sides, I'll get negative 5y. I'll put the negative 4x first, negative 4x, and then the positive 20. Then I'm going to divide each term by negative 5. This will simplify into y equals positive 4/5 x minus 20 when we divide everything by negative 5. Now I'm going to graph this. The two things I'm going to focus on first is the y-intercept, which is going to be 0, negative 4. And then the slope, which will be 4 over 5. Okay, so let's begin to graph this. My y-intercept of 0, negative 4 is here. Make sure to label each of your points. Next, my slope is 4 over 5. That means I'm going to rise 4 and run 5. Or run 5 and rise 4. So that's run 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now let's rise 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, this new point here, because I ran 5 and I started at 0, I'm now at 5. I also rose 4, so I was at negative 4 and I rose 4, now I'm at 0 here, 5, 0. Now I'm going to run 5 and rise 4 again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, this new point here, I was at x equals 5 and I ran 5 more, so now I'm at 10. X is 10. I was here at y equals 0 and I rose 4 times, so now I'm at 10, 4. Now I have my points labeled, and now I draw my graph, and I'm finished. Okay. Let's look at the next problem. Which will be graphing the points. Let's see, this is number 5. The points 1/2 and negative 5 over 2, 5/3, and 1. Okay, what we want to do is find the equation of the line that goes through these points. So, it's a two-step process. First, we want to find the slope, and then we want to take the point slope formula to create the line. So first, finding the slope. To find the slope, we need to use the rise over run. So m will equal the rise, which comes from the y's. I'm going to do a keep and change here for my y's. So I'll keep the positive 1 and change the negative 5/2 into a positive 5/2. For my x's, same direction. I'll keep the 5/3 and I'll change the 1/2. So keeping positive 5/3 but changing this to a negative 1/2. And now I have my numbers in the right order. Next, since I have fractions in here, I want to get rid of the fractions by multiplying by the least common denominator. The least common denominator would be, see, a denominator of 1, 2, 3, and 2. So my denominators are 1, 2, 3, and 2. So the LCD will be 6. That will be the lowest common multiple for those three numbers. So it's multiplied by 6, multiplied by 6. 6 times 1 gives me 6. 6 divided by 2 is 3. 3 times 5 is 15. 6 divided by 3 is 2. 2 times 5 is 10. 6 divided by 2 is 3. 3 times negative 1 is negative 3. And now we have whole numbers. 6 and the 15, that gives me 21. And the 10 minus the 3 gives me a 7. This simplifies to a slope of 3. So my slope is 3. Now that I have a point and a slope, I'm going to use a point slope formula. The point slope formula. Which is y minus y1 equals m times x minus x1. Okay, so let's put everything here. This remains a variable y. This is the opposite of y. I'm going to take this y right here. So this will change from 1 to negative 1. Next is the slope. Is 3. The variable x and the opposite of x. Well, the opposite of a 5/3 will be a negative 5/3. Okay, now I'm going to distribute my 3. And we'll get a 3x minus 5. Now I'll add 1 to both sides. And my linear equation comes y equals 3x minus 4. Okay, that's topic 2.1.